Ever grappled with the challenges of traditional gardening? The constant bending and kneeling, the relentless battle with weeds, or the struggle to get the perfect soil mix? What if there was a way to bypass all these hurdles, to make gardening more enjoyable and yield better results? Well, there is. It's called raised bed gardening. Raised bed gardening is the practice of growing plants in soil that's elevated above the ground level. It's a method that has won the hearts of many green thumbs. But why? What magic does it hold? Let's delve into this. Firstly, raised bed gardening means you'll be bending and kneeling less, making it a back-friendly alternative to traditional gardening. It also allows for better control over the soil, enabling you to create the perfect environment for your plants. This method also promotes better drainage, preventing waterlogged roots, and it's a great deterrent for pests and weeds. Plus, it means you can start planting earlier, as raised beds warm up faster in the spring. So how do you go about building your own raised bed garden? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose your location. Remember, most plants need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day, so pick a spot that gets plenty of sun. Step 2. Decide on the size of your bed. A width of 4 feet is ideal, as it allows you to reach the center from either side. The length can be as long as you like, but remember, you need to be able to walk around it. Step 3. Select your materials. Untreated wood like cedar or redwood is a popular choice, as it's durable and rot-resistant. Step 4. Construct the frame. Cut your boards to the desired length and width, then secure the corners with galvanized screws to form a rectangle. Step 5. Prepare the site. Remove any grass or weeds, then loosen the soil with a garden fork. This helps with drainage and allows plant roots to penetrate the ground below. Step 6. Fill your bed. Layer it with compost, topsoil, and other organic materials. Then mix it all together to create a rich, loose-growing medium. Step 7. Plant your crops. Follow the spacing guidelines on the seed packets, and remember to water them in well. So to summarize, building a raised bed garden can alleviate many traditional gardening problems, making the process more enjoyable and the harvest more bountiful. It's a project that requires a bit of initial work, but the rewards are well worth the effort. So why not give it a go? Your back and your plants will thank you.